Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jefferson Scott with What's Happening Birmingham. Today, the honor and pleasure of welcoming back Judge Thrash. Judge Thrash, thanks for coming on.
Hey, glad to be here again. We're getting really close to decision-making time.
Yeah, so you want to come back on the podcast, and I'm always welcome to have candidates if they want to come back again. Because, sometimes we just got to keep reminding people, because May 24th is around the corner, so... Well, today's actually, the time of this taping is probably May 12th. So we a little more than 12 more days ago. So how everything's been going on the trail these last couple of days, Judge Thrash?
Hey, it's been busy, but I always like the opportunity to engage the voters. I appreciate the well wishes, and a lot of times from people that I have never met before, they recognize the campaign, they recognize the signs, they recognize my picture on the sign. So when people have something encouraging to say, it makes you want to go a little harder, and it makes you it builds you up, it gives you a little bit more strength. So I just want to say thank you to those, especially my family and my friends, for enduring what seems like it's been an eternity. Thank you for forgiving me for the time not spent with family and friends, and understanding for the time being spent in the efforts and forwarding this campaign and the efforts made in meeting new people and earning their trust.
Okay, so people who didn't watch the first interview I did with you, just do a real quick bio on yourself.
Sure. So my name is Thomas Thrash, and I'm your current sitting district court judge at Place 11. There is a vacant seat available at Circuit Court Place 12. And I'm running for that place. My current assignment is a criminal assignment in the Bessemer Division of Jefferson County. I'm running for the Circuit Court Judge seat, Place 12, which will also be a primarily criminal seat assignment in the Bessemer Division of Jefferson County. So I will still be serving the same citizens. I will be facing some of the same issues, including the new charges, murder and capital murder. And I'll be able to have jury trials where in district court we don't have jury trials. So I'm excited about the opportunity to continue to serve the citizens of the cutoff, and I'm more excited about taking on new responsibilities. And Jarvis, let me tell you a little bit more about what my criminal assignment is. Right now I handle those cases that start from attempted murder all the way down to the simplest speeding ticket. Now, along with that, attempted murder, rapes, robberies, sodomies, sex abuse of children, as well as drug possession, domestic violence, DUI cases. These are the type of cases that I've been handling for over 3.5 years in the Bessemer Division of Jefferson County as your district court judge. Now, what's important to remember, electing me to circuit court allows me to continue to handle those cases, more responsibility, jury trials, with the inclusion of cases like capital murder and murder. So I take that opportunity seriously. I take that opportunity with great enthusiasm because it's for the citizens, and I've always enjoyed working for the citizens.
Okay, now tell people why it's important to have somebody like yourself in that seat, because you're dealing with pretty traumatic, can we say, cases that's happened to people that have been victims of these crimes.
Certainly. It's important to have someone experienced in those seats, because that is the type of assignment that's dealing with the very important constitutional rights. Those rights that presume people to be innocent until they are actually and factually proven guilty. But also understanding those type of cases, how they start, the police reports, the arguments of the lawyers, the rights of the defendant, the emptiness left by victims in these cases. Compiling all of that together in a case over the course of the proceedings, where they start and where they conclude, is a very trying experience, a very trying obligation that should not be taken lightly. A judge in that seat has to have judicial temperament, patience, experience, and knowledge. And I bring it to the table by way of my prior experience as a Birmingham police sergeant. I've worked crime scenes. I've worked scenes where there were narcotics. I've worked burglaries and the such. And so I take my police experience as well as my experience as a criminal defense attorney prior to coming to the bench, along with the 3.5 years that I've had looking at these types of cases coming into my courtroom and having them move forward to circuit court. So in those 3 arenas, I think that this shows that I'm the best candidate, the qualified candidate, and I'm ready to start on that next adventure in serving the citizens of Jefferson County.
Okay, so let's get to the day of the election. So, every election, is just a little bit different this year because we brought a little bit close to Memorial Day. They kind of stretched it out. So on Tuesday, May 24th, like if someone needs a ride to the polls or anything like that, or transportation, will your campaign kind of assist with that somewhat, or y'all offering free rides?
Certainly. And I'll do this, Jarvis. People already have my cell phone number, but I'm offering my cell phone number, 205-432-9673. If you need a ride to the polls, reach out to me. If you're not able to get me on the phone, text me. We want to get as many people the assistance that they need to get to the polls. The voting opportunity is a unique and special opportunity, and we want to make sure that everyone has access to get into the polls. So 205-432-9673. Call, text. Don't delay. The day of election is a busy day. If you see beforehand that there may be a problem, please call us and let us know.
Yeah, and then what's your campaign website?
My campaign website is judgethrash.com. Also, I have a Facebook, Thomas E. Thrash, and that's on Facebook. So normally the messenger through Facebook and my campaign website, it can get full very quickly. We try to check those messages. Also, I offer my email address on the judgethrash.com, as well as tethrashlaw@gmail.com.
Okay, so y'all heard it first. You need a ride to the poll, especially around this Bessemer cutoff area. This is your man, so you ain't got no excuses. So, Judge, thank you for coming on today. Y'all, let's finish strong. So, thank you all for watching this interview. Please check out what's happening Birmingham.com for more interviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and check out the audio version of this on Apple Podcasts. Thank you all again. Thank you, Judge Thrash, and everybody. Let's go vote.
Thank you for this opportunity, Mr. Escott. And citizens, thank you for considering. And I appreciate it. We'll see you at the polls May 24th, 2022.
All right. Bye-bye, y'all.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.